and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an updated room tour. So little update with my life. I had moved out of my parents' house for about a year, tried the whole living on my own situation. Turns out I didn't like it, so I was like, you know what, let me just move back in, let me kick my little brother out of my room, and let's just update this whole area, right? Okay, so that's what I did. I'll do an updated like life update in another video, just kind of explaining more things in detail. But yes, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to my room. I'll link the previous room tour that I filmed, I think it was like 2-3 years ago already. I'll link that down below so then you guys could watch that and just compare how different this room looks previously. Obviously the background just kind of shows that my room was gray and now it's white, so here we are. Okay, so I'm starting with this corner of this room. Not really gonna go into too much detail in regards to this whole section because this is something that I did have in my previous apartment tour video. It's just a bunch of knickknacks, fake plants that I have, and then I have like some sage, palo santo up there that is usually just gifted to me by my family members and you know, all that stuff, just because that's what I like. And yeah, so I have all this stuff here. I have a ukulele, I can't even talk today. And then I have Cat Amy Winehouse. I got this at Ross for, I believe it was like $8. And then this is something new. I love this mirror. I got it from Hobby Lobby. So freaking cute. I got it on sale. I believe it was like $8. It was something ridiculously inexpensive, and it's one of my favorites. Here, there's a door. This door connects to Elliot's room. That's something that we're still working on just because my mom has to like clear out that whole room. She has a bunch of stuff because she's a hoarder. Anyways, going on to this section of my room, just giving you guys a little update here. So that, I don't even know what this is. I just saw it at the thrift store one day and I was like, I need to have it. So here I just store kind of some of my hair stuff in here randomly sometimes. So I'll just throw things in there. Normally it closes, but I was like too lazy to like really focus on that. And then I have a fake plant. There's like, that's like paint and stuff because I didn't really do a great job painting my room. I have a random basket with like a little blanket that was meant to be for my cat, but she doesn't like go in there ever. Then I got this cute nightstand. I got this nightstand from Marshall's and it was chipped, so I got it on sale, but I believe it gives a character, just like that mirror. That mirror's chipped, gives a character. And then here is my nightstand. So for my nightstand, I have like this Wandering Woods candle. I love this scent and I got this from Marshall's. I don't even know if they still have it. I have a fake plant. I have my Echo there, or Alexa, and then I have a lamp near my bed just because it's useful. And then here I do have some of my crystals right next to my bed. I have a little cha-cha, let's see if it focuses. I have a little cha-cha like match thing. I don't know. I get these from the Cha-Cha Lounge when we go. And then I just have this random little card that I got when I was in Vegas, and you know, just for the aesthetic. So I really love this. I love having my crystals near me, so that's like my whole thing. That's my vibe. And then here I have a hanging fake plant. I just love it. I felt like there needed to be something in between that painting and that mirror, so I felt like this fit perfectly. And then I have another fake plant here. I got that from Target. It was on sale, so I literally got it for $6 or something like that. And then I have a picture. I got that from the thrift store. I believe it was like $1. It wasn't too bad. That you guys have previously seen, which is just like a print of a photo, of a painting. And then here I have another fake plant, which I just love. And then going into my bed, I have a white comforter, I have a few pillows and all that good stuff. And then I have a new family member, which is Bree. She's the cutest ever. She loves to sleep on my bed, especially right there. So I love her. She's asleep. I'm not really going to bug her right now. But yeah, so let me just go ahead and back up so then you guys could really get a feel for this side of this room. So this is just my bed area. Love it. It's so cozy to me. I love it so much. And then here on this side, this is the other end. Now that I look at this, this looks really cluttered, so I feel like I'm going to end up clearing out some of this stuff here. I really don't know where I'm gonna place any of these things, but yes. So then let's just turn around and let's go over here. So normally this is kind of the corner of the room that you guys see when I post pictures on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. I got this rug from IKEA. It was on sale. I believe I got it for $30. I was literally looking for a rug like this for so long, but they were just so expensive until I went to IKEA randomly one day and it was on sale. So I got it. It was literally something that I was looking for forever. That's another painting I got from the thrift store as well. These pictures I got from the thrift store. That was a gift. And then this I also got from Hobby Lobby as well. It was super cheap. It was on sale. And then just going into this corner right here, I have a fake plant. I have a little fur stool. And then right here, I got this from the thrift store. It was just like a random, I don't know, it's like a personal file kind of storage thing. I put my eyeshadow palettes in there, so that's where I store most of my eyeshadow palettes. I got this basket from Marshall's and then the blanket from Marshall's as well. So in here, I do have a few of Elliot's toys under that blanket. It's just to hide them a little bit. Those are just the toys that he likes to have here, and then he has his other toys in the other room. Random skull I got from the 99, and then just moving back over here, that's another fern that I had got from Target. Up here, I got that mirror from the thrift store as well, and then I have a bit of decor up here that I just love. This is my vision board, which is also the background of my phone. I think it's so important to have a vision board somewhere around your room, just, you know, just to look at your goals. Hopefully that makes sense. And then I have another picture. So if you notice, I got all of those 3 photos from the thrift store one day randomly at the same time. And then this is just kind of my TV area. I have books under here. And then I just have a random chair, just because sometimes I do need a chair, another chair in my room. Here, that's sage. I have incense, like an incense burner there, candles. Here I do have like a journal that I use sometimes, and then I just put a random blanket over there just to make it look a little bit nicer. And then I have another like incense kit there. Hopefully I'm saying that right, incense. Yes. And then that there is for moon water, you know, just because I'm just like that, I guess. And then I wanted to show you guys this. I feel like this is so cute. So I got this from the thrift store one time. And I keep my jewelry in here, so I feel like this is friggin' adorable. And then up here, it's like a lamp light thing that we had. I just ended up taking off the cover for it, and I just put this kind of bulb on it just because I feel like that's cuter. If I go ahead and turn it on, I feel like, I don't know, that's just me though, right? So then coming over to this side, this is another painting I got the same day that I got Cat Amy Winehouse. This is Chihuahua, Frida, I don't know, I just thought this was cute. And then I got this from the thrift store as well. This is actually one of my favorite, and I kid you not, favorite pictures I have all over my room. It's just a cathedral. It just looks so awesome. I ended up, this came in a different frame, and then I ended up getting a different frame to put this photo in, and I just feel like it's so awesome. My kitty litter box is right there at the corner. I'm not really going to show you guys that. I'm going to change that out of here into the restroom. And then here is just my mirror. I have a stool as well there. And yeah, I have a lamp here as well. And then if I move here, this is just where I film. I have my makeup, everything just stored here. It looks really cluttered, but as of right now, it works for me. And then that is my porch that leads down to some stairs. And I'm gonna close this really quickly so then you guys could see. This is just my door. And then I have this little door knocker here. So that was my room tour. I completely forgot to film an outro, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please comment down below what was your favorite part of my room. And then also, please make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I'll put the links down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!